Hello and welcome. My name is S3 Alpha and this is an Openvas installation in Kali Linux. First, run sudo apt-get update and you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is the password that you use to sign into your user account. Now, the reason why we're running this update is we want to update Kali to its most current state. If you're running this code in your Kali operating system, not a VirtualBox, there's a possibility that if you haven't run this in a while, it will take some time, especially this next bit, whereby you get to run sudo sudo apt-get dist upgrade, and then you'll be prompted with a yes or no question, to which you promptly just respond yes. You simply write a small letter y or a capital letter Y. Either way, it works wonders when you do it right. Now this, of course, will take a bit of time depending on the last time that you updated your operating system and also whether or not stuff happened. Next, run sudo apt-get install Openvas, and after that's done, you then run sudo gvm setup, hit enter, and it starts the GVM setup. Now you will of course need to have either PostgreSQ or the other one is SQLite 3. Now if you have PostgreSQL installed, I'm positive I'm pronouncing that wrongly, but if you have it installed or pre-installed in the case of Kali, and you get an error saying that the client that's installed is not client, like client 13 is installed but it's supposed to have client 14, there is a way to fix that. There are various YouTube videos. There's also a blog on Fox Linux, I think. I'll link to it, and this process will take a while, so I'm just going to skip it. And the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take note of the username that's created and the password that's created. The password is a bit long, so you're going to need to copy that somewhere, and then you run sudo gvm start. And now you're supposed to, of course, have taken note of a couple of things. As I've mentioned before, the username that I was given the first time I ran through was admin. I'm not sure if everyone gets the same, but I think that's the case. And then you also need to copy the password, preferably put it in a notepad or something. Now we had the IP address that was linked in the terminal. Copy that, paste that in your browser, default browser, preferably Chrome. You get your connection is not private, and you're going to need to proceed. So hit advanced, and then you proceed to the mentioned URL. Simple and straightforward stuff. Now remember the username that you used and the password. Now you're going to need to enter in the username. The username that I was given, of course, was admin, so I enter that, and then I just paste the password. I sign in, and ladies and gentlemen, that is basically how you install Openvas. Yeah, that's basically how it's done. The vulnerability scan on steroids. Okay, that was a bad joke. But yeah, first video